A state of emergency has been declared in Chile. Hundreds of homes are at risk from wildfires raging in the country. Some of the fires are threatening tourist areas, including Valparaiso. Now, that's where more than 17,000 acres have already burned. Scientists say the fires are being made worse by both a drought and a heat wave. That heat wave is expected to affect Argentina, Paraguay, and Brazil in the next few days.
At least 46 people were killed in central Chile's raging forest fires, according to the country's president on Saturday. Black smoke billowed into the sky over many parts of the Valparaiso region, home to nearly 1 million people. Rescue teams have been deployed to the affected areas, but the amount of damage is growing and the death toll is expected to rise, said the government. Some people picked through the debris, and others watched as homes were engulfed in flames. We cannot do anything about the houses. We need to wait for them to burn or for the fire to die out, said this resident. Officials said 92 active fires were covering more than 43,000 hectares Saturday, up from just 30,000 hectares on Friday. Wildfires are not uncommon in Chile over the summer months, and during last year's record heat wave, some 27 people died and more than 400,000 hectares were burned.